The borderlines between art and technology for me is not existing. It's all the time a kind of synergy. It's like art is not so much different for me than technology, or technology is not so much different than art. Both are dealing with extreme creativity. And I think if you make a joint venture between art and technology, I think you can only have a better outcome. The workshop is about exploring the difference between an object and an object. An object everybody knows, but an object is something that we can generally look on that has no pride. It's in general also, it means waste, and there is a lot of waste or left over in our society. And it's totally the opposite than art, because it has more like a program of like restoration. And here we want to explore in the workshop like the different meaning. For example, we are studying if structures can collapse, and during the collapse it can evolve into something else as a kind of artistic statement. In the future, I think materials wouldn't be static anymore, but they would become dynamic. Dynamic, it means they can change their functions, behavior, and even can evolve.
I applied for the Art and Technology workshop with Carl de Smet to learn more about memory structures and forms, and basically how forces are applied and how we can use forces in our advantage, especially in my field, which is engineering. I believe that using art in particular is a way to help engineers and architects build furthermore into the future with abstract structures and learning about new materials with new polymers, and I do believe that it's an asset for future architects and engineers.
But the students came from different kind of sections. I think we had from computer science, we had from aerospace, we had from different kind of inputs. And of course, if you have a certain background of engineering, you can think much faster about structures. And that's really needed if you want to design in motion, if you want to design structures that moves.
I joined this course because it explores the relationship between art and technology. Art became less of a painting on a canvas and more of an object that interacts with the audience and challenges their perceptions. This course creates a linkage between what I'm studying and what I'm interested in.